about angles that is drawn on a straight line. We have a rule, and we are going to deal with this rule. Yes, very good. Angles drawn on a straight line is add up to 180. Okay, and this is, remember us with the straight angles, which each two rays are opposite to each other. Okay, and here we have two angles, two adjacent angles drawn on the same straight line. Okay, and we are given the measure of one of them, and I have to get the other angle. Okay, so in first one, this is question number 2. Here we have this straight line, and then we have here draw one angle drawn, and this angle is a right angle because its measure is 90 degree, and I want to get the other angle, this one. So here, this angle, we can label it as angle x, and I want to get the measure of angle x. So x equal to
180 degrees.
Yes. Here we have these two angles, 90 degrees and angle x, add up to 180 degree. So if I want to get angle x, now we deal with an equation. Okay, so I want to get x, so we have to move 90 to the next side, to the left, to the right hand side with a negative sign. So x, it will be 180 minus 90. So here in each problem, we have to subtract the given angle, which is 90, or any angle, from 180 to get the missing angle. So here x equals 180 minus 90, which is equal to 90 degrees. And as we do in this problem, we have to do the same steps in the next problem. Here we have a straight line.
Wait. I'm confused.
About what?
Wait, so you said angle, you put angle x there, which equal to 180, and then what did you do?
Here?
Oh, you did an angle that, okay, wait. So you wanted to find out angle x?
Yes, very good.
So how did you find angle x exactly?
Because the sum of these two angles, here we have two angles, angle 90 and angle x. The sum of these two angles together is 90, and x is add up to 180. Okay, so if I want to get the angle x, we deal now with an equation, 90 plus x equals to 180. So if I want to keep x in one side and move 90 to the other side, it will be moved with negative sign. We will subtract 90 from 180 to get the angle x.
Okay, and that would be, let's see, so 0, 0, 0, can't do that. 17, 16, 15, 14, 15, 12. Okay, so that would be 90 degrees. Okay.
Yes, very good. The next one, here we have two adjacent angles, angle 130 degree, and the other angle is unknown angle. So we can label it any letter, x, y, z, anything. So we can label it x, and we know that these two angles, these two adjacent angles, x and angle 136, are add up to 180. So when we add 136 add to x, it will be equal to 180. So to get the missing angle here, which is x, we have to subtract 136 from 180.
Okay, so equal to 1 in 3. Let me see. Okay. 180 subtracted by 136. First one we can do 10 left of 4. That would be also 4. 44 degrees.
Yes, very good. Yeah, excellent. The next one, try by yourself. Tell me what we will do here in this problem.
And let me see. So, where's angle X?
This is angle, yes.
Angle X, we have to do to divide it up by minus this one cannot do 719. 7 cannot do 99 degrees.
Yes, very good. 99 degrees.
Okay.
In question number 5, we have also here two adjacent angles drawn on same straight line. Okay, but it is here we have this question is a different from the other questions because it is drawn in a different way. So we have here many ways to express angles on a straight line, like this way and like this way. All of them are two adjacent angles drawn on the same straight line, but its drawing is different from the ordinary way, which we already take in example 2, 3, and 4. So, the same example we have here, clip drawing, but we deal with the same two adjacent angles that drawn on the same straight line. So here we have a missing angle. We can generate it x, and then we know that 124 and angle x add up to 180 degrees. So to get angle x, we will do what one?
We will do 1 second. So here angle X equals, we'll do 180
Yes, very good.
and subtract it, so 124 subtracted from 180.
Yes, very good.
You can't do that, so you have to carry that. 6, you can do that, so that would be 6, 5. Over here. So 56 degrees.
Yes, very good. The next one.